Hey adventure seekers! Today I'm taking you on a journey to uncover Positano's hidden coastal treasures that most tourists never get to see. Positano, with its colorful houses, charming alleys, and stunning beaches, is a true gem on Italy's Amalfi Coast. But have you ever wondered what's beyond the crowded streets and popular attractions? That's exactly what we're about to explore today. When you're in a popular destination like Positano, finding those authentic experiences can be tough. You often get stuck in crowded streets surrounded by fellow tourists, and you start to wonder if there are any hidden gems only the locals know about. The truth is, Positano has plenty of secrets waiting to be uncovered. You just need to know where to look. Let's kick things off with one of my favorite hidden gems, Spiaggia del Fornillo. This secluded beach is only a short hike from Positano's main beach, Spiaggia Grande. The effort is well worth it, as you'll find yourself surrounded by towering cliffs, crystal clear waters, and a serene atmosphere that's hard to find in more popular spots. Next up, let's talk about La Moreno, a charming local eatery tucked away in a quiet alley. This cozy spot serves up delicious seafood dishes, using only the freshest ingredients sourced from local fishermen. The atmosphere is warm and welcoming, making it the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a day of exploring. As we continue our journey, we stumble upon breathtaking viewpoints like Punta Treville. Perched on a scenic cliff, this spot offers stunning views of the Amalfi Coast, making it the perfect place to watch the sunset. But there's one spot that stands out from the rest, a secret location that will leave you in awe. Just outside Positano's town center is the stunning Villa Treville, a 17th century villa hidden away in a lush green oasis. This breathtaking villa boasts stunning gardens, a beautiful pool, and jaw-dropping views of the coastline. And the best part? It's not well known among tourists, making it the perfect spot to experience La Dolce Vita like a local. As we wind down our journey, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe. Positano is more than just a pretty face. It's a town filled with hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. I hope I've inspired you to venture beyond the usual tourist attractions and explore the authentic side of this stunning coastal town. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover Positano's hidden coastal treasures. If you've got a favorite hidden gem you'd like to share, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel insights and inspiration.